Hello, welcome to my Google Sheets tutorial. The purpose of this video is to introduce ACPL staff to Google Sheets and some of the more advanced functions. Today, I will be focusing on inserting charts and editing them. These skills will help you present data in ways that are easier for the viewer to understand. Charts and graphs are a great way to present complicated data in a visual medium such as Facebook or a news article. In this tutorial, we will be inserting a chart into a Google Sheet and customizing it. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add your own chart to Google Sheets and customize them for your needs. First, you will need to open a Google Sheet. I have one here with numbers from our people counter for the last 4 months. Let's say we want to generate a chart to show the board of directors how many people came in on a specific day of the week or month of the year. To do this, click on Insert and select Charts. We will go with a simple bar graph. The graph will automatically populate with the data we have given it. However, see how the bars are not labeled? Here is how we can change that. Copy and paste the numbers from column A into column B. Now we can put our months in column A. Now we have to tell the graph where to look for the data. To do this, we will open the Legend or Chart Editor and change our data range. Double-click on the graph where it says No Data. From here, we can see how we can change our data range. This restores our bar graph to us. Now, see how the bars are not individually labeled? This does not give context to our data. To change that, we will need to add an x-axis. To achieve that, we will again double-click on the graph. Under Setup, we can see where we can add an x-axis. Enter in the data range from column A. There, it's that simple. Now we have a labeled bar graph that we can use for board reports. Google Sheets can be intimidating because we are used to Excel, and while Sheets is more intuitive, it can be hard to get out of our Excel rut. I hope this presentation helps you make better use of the charts in the Google Sheets function. Goodbye.